Here we have apartment B at 49 West Granada in Hershey. We are in the process of just finishing up some of the electrical work. New flooring, windows, kitchen, bath, pretty much all new appliances, just like we like to do them when we renovate these units. This is a nice size 2-bedroom apartment, new paint throughout. That would be the living room we were just in. Here's a bedroom, ample closet space, and again, just really, really nicely done. Here's your second bedroom. Kitchen. Get you a panorama of it. Your bath. (49 West Granada, apartment B). This will be available within the next couple days.